Today we're going to show you how to install your shirt armor. This is actually going to be pretty easy. You're going to find the pocket. Let's do the back first. You're going to make sure that this portion faces your back. This would be facing out. You're going to just fold this, slide it up into the pocket here, push it down, and then there's a little lip right here. You're going to want to pull that over the bottom and secure that back armor so it doesn't slide down. There you go. On the shoulder armor, you're going to find that there are two pockets, one for each shoulder. You'll take the shoulder armor, just crunch it really tight like this, and slide it into the pocket. And again, you're going to see a lip. You'll pull that lip over so that it holds it nice and secure. And on the arm armor, or your elbow and arm, you're going to see, what you'll do is you're going to turn the cuff up just slightly. You'll take the arm armor, you're going to crunch it up, make it nice and tight, and then you're going to slide that in, kind of give it a little bit of a wiggle, slide it right in, and again we have a lip to keep that in place. Pull that lip over, pull the cuff down, and just kind of give it a little bit of a wiggle, and there you go.